up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super duper excited to be coming back with yet another video, guys. Like, I'm just like really feeling this look, like, ooh, like I'm in the mirror, like, oh, okay. Anywho, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this real bright, summery, you know, eye look because I'm just ready for it to like really warm. I'm really ready for it to warm up. So I've been seeing a lot of girls doing these bright coat tutorials, and hey, I got inspired and I was like, let's go, let's do this. I want something bright, I want something colorful. I just said something, excuse me. I want something bright, I want something colorful, and I want it now. Just to let you guys know, because I didn't show it in the video, on my lips, I did use NYX Mudwrestler. I lined my lips with Cork lip pencil, and I topped it off with this Buxom, I'm hoping that I'm saying it like this, Buxom lip gloss in the shade Dominique. I'm not a gloss girl at all, so the only glosses that I own are like clear. They're not like anything colorful because I am a matte lip girl, so this lip is pretty different for me. But because I got so much going on with the eyes up here, I wanted to just make the lips a little bit neutral. Anywho, I'm gonna stop rambling. This is not gonna be a long intro because you're ready to head out. But if you want to see this look, then of course you guys just continue to watch. Alright, you guys, so first I'm starting off priming my face, and I'm using the Hourglass Vanish primer. And next I'm going to jump into this NYX Ultimate Palette, and I'm going to grab that bright pink, that bright pink shadow, and I'm going to use that into my crease, and this is going to serve as my transition color for this look. Now, I wasn't too impressed with this palette because I found that I did have to really dig for the color and really build up for a long time to get the desired color payoff that I wanted. Alright, so next, you guys, I'm going to take that dark purple and I'm going to pop that into the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to make a V shape with that purple. This is going to be the smoky effect to this bright color tropical eye. I really wanted something that was like smoky at the end, but I wanted to just be colorful, you know, like the rainbow. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with this pretty blue shade. It's so pretty. It's a darker blue, and I just love it so much. So here I'm just taking that color and I'm applying it to the middle section of my lid, and again, I really just had to keep like applying and building that color in. I really felt like I should have used my NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Milk to do as a base. I used concealer like I always do, but I guess I should have used that because I feel like that probably would have worked better with this palette, because it was very hard to like get a color payoff. I was building. Alright, you guys, so next I grabbed this pretty aqua shadow, and I'm going to put that into the front portion of my eyelid, and I'm just blending these colors in together, and I'm going to go in with the yellow shade in my inner tear duct. Like I said, you know, guys, I wish I would have used a different primer because I really wanted these shadows to be really vibrant, but otherwise the look did come together really great. And as you guys can see me here doing, I'm just going back in and just blending everything out flawlessly, making sure there are no lines of demarcation, and we're moving on to the lower lash line. I'm going to take this Hunter Lucky greenish color, which I think is so pretty, and I'm going to pop that into my lower lash line. I'm going to take it a little bit towards the middle. I'm not going to take it all the way across because I'm going back in with that darker purple, and I'm going to finish out the outer portion of my lower lid. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to wipe any fallout away, and for some reason I lost the clip of me applying my foundation, but I did use the Hourglass Vanish stick foundation, and it is one of my holy grail foundations. I love it so much, along with the Urban Decay foundation. Alright, you guys, so next, this is another holy grail product of mine. This is the Maybelline concealer, and I believe this is the shade Sand, but otherwise I'll link everything in the description box below so that you guys can see all the products that I use. But I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge. I'm just going to blend that concealer out using the tip of that Real Technique sponge. This concealer seriously is a great dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, because this concealer was like bomb. Like, it was just bomb. Like, I love it, love it, love it so much. I haven't even been reaching for my Tarte Shape Tape since I've purchased the Maybelline concealer. So yeah, you have to pick this concealer up. It's so easy to apply. The applicator is so simple to use. Just go pick it up. Alright, just so I won't crease throughout the day, I'm going to take some Hard Candy setting powder. I don't really love this powder. Just gonna be honest with you guys. I usually use my Makeup Revolution powder in the shade Banana, but I don't even know why I grabbed this first. Guess it was just because it was closer, but I'm using it today. Alright, so while I'm baking for a little bit, I'm going to take my Sephora face powder, and I'll link the color below because I don't know it off the top of my head, and I'm just going in the areas where foundation was applied, just so I can set my entire face, because I get oily and I have to set my foundation. Alright, you guys, I didn't tell you at the beginning, but I did do my brows off camera. If you guys want to see a brow tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll film a separate video away from me doing a full face. I just feel like it's just so much easier for me to just go ahead and do my brows off camera. Alright, now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. This brush is by e.l.f. Most of the brushes I use are by e.l.f. or Sephora or BH Cosmetics. Like, I don't invest too much in brushes because I'm a beauty blender, Real Technique sponge kind of girl. So I'm just wiping that away. And next I'm going to go in and contour, and I'm using a black Radiance face powder. And I picked up a color a couple of shades darker than my skin tone. And I love this powder to contour with. I don't really contour with anything else but that. I always like to use darker face powders. I haven't really picked up a contour powder per se, but I just love using this to contour with, because it gives me the look that I want. So I just continue to use it until I find something else. I'm just going to go all over my face with my powder brush. Next, I'm applying some blush on the cheek. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. And after that, I'm just going to go in a highlight. I'm using, of course, Fenty Beauty Trophy White to do a little bit of highlighting, because like I said before, I'm not the girl that wants the glow. I just like it sometimes. Sometimes I like the glow, not a lot. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Luminous mascara. First, I got it as a set from Ulta first. So first I'm going to go in with the primer mascara. And y'all, that primer mascara, using it first before I actually put on my mascara, has really increased the volume of my lashes. Like, I seriously have been sleeping on that. And I've seen a lot of people use the lash primer before actually using a mascara, and I've been sleeping out. So after that, I'm just going to go on with some coats of mascara. I will be doing my lashes off camera, but I am going to show you guys what lashes I'm using. I'm using the Ardell Wispy lashes. Those lashes are some of my favorites to use. Ardell is like one of my favorite brands. Alright, those are the lashes, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.